and races.
Sherry
and Parker Hunter hurried downstairs with their laundry bags to the basement of their family's apartment building. They were eager to finish the laundry so they could run races in the park before it rained.
Racing
had been the twins' favorite activity since they learned to walk. But Mr.
Papa's
the buildings
handyman. Handyman is a person who can fix everything. Okay, handyman. Okay, who can? Yeah, you see, he knows how to fix how many things. Called handyman. Okay. What's that?
Basement.
Handy. Oh no. Handyman. Okay.
A person,
especially
a man who is
skillful
at doing small jobs
such as household repairs.
Handyman.
Okay, handyman. Okay, can spell
HANDYMAY, handyman.
No, handyman. Yeah, repairing. Okay, who repair things? Yeah, like this. You see, he has a lot of tools to fix many things. Handyman. Okay, but Mr. Papa's the building's
handyman was
talking. Okay, put something over there. What's
handyman.
Good.
Handyman.
A person who can repair many things. Handyman. Okay.
Tuck.
I think this one put something on the wall. Talk. Okay, can spell.
TUCK,
Talk. Okay, talking up a sign. Let's do talk up a sign. No. Talk up sign. Put some sign here. Okay, was talking
up a sign on the laundry room door, saying it was our outhouse service. Sorry, kids, he said. Parker
wrong.
What's Parker?
Tuck.
Put a sign on the wall. No, what the hell is this?
Scowl.
Scowl.
Scowl. Scowl.
To look at someone or something in a way that
Shows
eager,
anger
anger
or disapproval. Okay,
the teacher scowled at me when I walked in late.
Scowl.
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 can spell
SCOWL. Scowl.
like that. Scowl. Look someone angrily. Scowl. Frown. Yeah, scowl. Frown. Yeah. Parker.
Scowled and
Sherry.
told him not to run past
Laundromat. I think it's laundromat. It's a place you can get things washed. Okay, laundromat. Yeah, laundromat is a store. Okay, not a wash machines. You can go there. What's that? Yeah. Okay, Ronaldo up.
The teacher scowled at me when I walked in late.
Okay, so I was late, so the teacher was not happy with me. Okay, scowled at me. Okay. Laundromat.
Laundromat. Laundromat.
Yeah, that's right. I think it's a trademark.
Laundromat.
Okay. Okay. Can you spell it?
Laundromat.
Laundromat. It's like this. You go there to wash your clothes. Laundromat. Okay. Okay. There is a
Laundromat just around the corner, she said
comfortingly. Comfortingly is make someone else comfortable. Comfortingly. You see, you try to make her comfortable. Comfortingly. It's hard.
Laundromat. Laundromat. Laundromat.
Okay, the store you can get clothes washed. No.
Comfort. Comfort. Comfort.
Okay. Comfort someone. Comfortingly. Just try to make another person feel comfortable. Comfortingly.
We will be there in no time.
In no time means we will get it done quickly, very soon.
When they arrived,
Parker's returned. Parker Scout returned, comes back.
Seems like the whole block,
all people in that building, doing in that block.
Doing laundry, he complained.
Okay.
All she will wash matches.
Wash Wash machines. Louder.
Are taking.
Okay, some are using these wash machines.
We will never get to the park.
Okay. We'll never get to the park.
Don't worry,
Sherry.
said, but never,
Even.
even once they managed
Good.
to get a washing machine, they waited another hour before they got at the dryer.
Good. You have one washing machine and one dryer, right? After wash it, you put the clothes in the dryer. Okay. Parker.
Looked out the window at the
Gathering.
storm clouds and
Grunt and complained.
one careless me. We can't forget about racing. No, not.
Necessary need.
Necessary.
Okay, necessary. So something must be done. Necessary need. Okay, not necessary. You may not be right. Not a necessary need. Okay.
Necessarily. Necessarily. Necessarily.
Unavoidable. You can't avoid it. Okay.
Not
The audience.
necessarily small.
Okay.
Necessarily. Necessarily.
Necessary need. Okay, can spell it.
Necessary. Necessary.
Necessary need. Okay. Inevitable. Unavoidable. Unavoidable need. Okay. You cannot avoid it. It will happen. But he said not necessary need.
Not necessary.
Sheree.
She said she divided the dry clothes into two piles on the nearby table. Whoever folds their laundry into one pile first wins.
So instead of running race, they have another race to fold the clothes, right?
Parker grabbed a t-shirt and smiled. You are on. Which of the following statements best describes the main theme or lesson of the story?
Worry.
Worrying will only make the problem worse.
Okay.
Even the best
Planned.
days can turn out to be bad with the right
Attitude.
attitude.
Okay. That is so.